Hello, and welcome to our English lesson on the past tense. Today, we'll explore how we talk about actions and events that happened in the past. The past tense is used to talk about actions or events that have already happened. It helps us understand when something took place. To understand past tense better, let's compare it to the present tense. The present tense is used when we talk about actions happening now or on a regular basis. For example, I eat is present tense, meaning you are eating right now. But I ate is past tense, meaning you already finished eating. Now, let's learn how to create past tense verbs. Most of the time, you simply add ad to the base form of the verb. For example, bake becomes baked, jump becomes jumped, and walk becomes walked. Now look at the examples. She baked cookies yesterday, he jumped high, they walked to school. These sentences use past tense verbs. Can you see how we added ed to the base form? However, there are some irregular verbs that don't follow this rule. Irregular verbs don't follow the ed rule. Irregular verbs have unique past tense forms you need to memorize. In past tense, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, have becomes had. For instance, go doesn't become goed, it becomes went. Let's practice with some sentences. I'll say them in the present tense, and you can change them to the past tense. She plays with a ball. Great, you got it. He eats ice cream. Perfect. You are getting the hang of it. Remember, it's all about talking about things that happened in the past. You can use regular verbs with ed or memorize the irregular ones. Now, it's time to take our knowledge a step further by learning how to create negative and interrogative sentences in the past tense. First, let's talk about the negative form. In the past tense, we use it to express that something did not happen. In this sentence, did not is used to make it negative. So, I ate pizza yesterday becomes I did not eat pizza yesterday. To form the negative past tense, use did not, didn't for short before the base form of the verb. For example, I did not play or he didn't dance. She watched TV. She did not watch TV. They ate chocolate. They didn't eat chocolate. Next, let's dive into the interrogative form. We use it to ask questions about past events. Did you play soccer yesterday? In this sentence, did you is used to ask a question about the past. To form the interrogative past tense, start with did, then add the base form of the verb and a question mark. Now, let's practice creating interrogative sentences in the past tense. You sang a song. Did you sing a song? He watched a movie. Did he watch a movie? And that's it. You've learned how to create negative and interrogative sentences in the past tense. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a master of past tense sentences. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and never miss out on any of our fun and educational content. So, click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you are always in the loop.